Model: Nokia Flying Camera Phone 2023. Display: 7.1 inches Super AMOLED full touchscreen display, which is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7. Processor: Snapdragon 898 5 mobile platform. Memory: 12GB RAM and 256 512ths of a gigabyte RAM. Camera: Quad 200MP drone camera plus 32MP plus 16MP plus 5MP rear cameras and a 64MP front camera. Sensor: fingerprint, Face ID, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, barometer. Fast battery charging for 105 quick charger. Wireless charging supported. Battery: Li Polymer 8000 mAh non-removable. Operating version: 12. Which features of Nokia Flying Camera Phone are you like most?